So I'm a window cleaning contractor and a remodel contractor. So I have multiple kits for my body. Right now I just pieced together some leg kits just from some knockoff brands.
How often are you running this setup?
I literally wear this every single day. I don't take it off till I get home because I don't do windows and contracting in one day. I do a window job and then I'll do contracting jobs. So like the window kit, it stays on my body all day long. Like I go home, I'm just wearing my tool. So it's like, I'll be at the dinner table like this, like, hey, what's that? If you could have a leg panel that comes off quick, you know, kind of like you have your chest panel, and I just had like a panel here that I could just drop different options on. Oh yeah, chest rig, I like to have my phone right here. I can listen to music. I like to have quick access to this. This is kind of floppy, so I have to stop and look at it sometimes to get it. Keep some pens, keep my bits. This is okay, except for the bits. There's no magnets here. The bits will fall out. If you call it, you'll hear them clink. For me, as this equipment gets heavier and heavier, when I have my Sawzall on a hook, I'll have a reciprocating saw back here, my pants start really sagging. I crouch down, then my belt comes undone. Then my pants are coming down with my belt, and I'm like at a job site, like Snoop Dogg.
Let's try to rebuild. Let's try to rebuild now this kit with our stuff.
I like it. Yeah, let's do it.
So this belt's a little thicker. It's a 1 3/4 inch, and so that gives it a little bit more stability. So I got 2 belt options. That's the mod belt.
Yeah. Feels sturdy too.
So this is called a low boy.
Nice.
So this is kind of our version of that.
Oh, okay.
And you've got it there. It's just got the kind of a different system. So it looks like what you've got on there is you've got a cat's paw, a drill, and a square.
Dude, a double barrel with the cat's paw would be right at the bottom. That'd be sweet. Yeah. Equal high.
Got it. Here.
Actually, get top on the put this down to the midpoint.
So that you can go. Do you like your square? Right here.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. I think I would just change and go to the pin pal back here.
So here's the beauty of the system. You've got options, right?
We're gonna do gun there.
Oh, nice. Put that there, like that.
Hell yeah.
Because you also have the option to just go for a bigger pouch on the right side too, which would give you a lot more options, and you can still hang this on the outside and this on the outside.
Let's try setting it up.
Right. But, so we're getting away from that one, and the cinch isn't quite as good on it, but it's still a nice system. So here, let's try that on now.
That's cool.
What options?
You like us? Double barrel blam. What's up? Let's check that out. So we got pencil stash, punch stash. What's cool about this is it's distributing half my weight. This is my left leg over my right side, which is gonna be awesome.
Here we go, dude. Ready?
Drop it in the closet. No, I need. That is awesome.
Yeah. So now, I mean, swing around a little bit. Yeah. So yeah.
That's awesome.
So now this is the same thing. It has internal pocket storage that you can customize. We can put more stuff out on the outside for you. Like the Joey is really for like you've got some tall hand tools or you've got fasteners or something. We've kept the Joey intentionally simple just so that it can just do its job well. And we're trying to build more customization with these types of pouches. And then check this out. If you want, if you do have fasteners or something else, you can do that.
That is epic right there.
Yeah.
This could be for
For temporary stuff, you can just slot it right on the back. There you go. So yeah, I mean that goes on there. Yeah. Wow. All right.
Cool. First impression, upholstery mod system. What I like so far is that this has multiple adjustment straps on the back and the top. It's got a rigid front, so you can put multiple components all throughout it. Like a lot of these products like I have are really floppy. You move around, they flop, they fall out. This is solid. Their magnets are really strong. Like I'm blown away at that. So those can be anywhere. We got one magnet here, and it holds the hammer. We got the, what's this called? The Jolly Roger. I really like this. One of the problems with a hammer holster is they're floppy. They make a lot of noise, and when you're walking around a house, you know, you're hitting stuff. Right? This is tight. Has an adjustable tightening lanyard there. Looks like you could probably put a larger hammer in it if you need to, right down your leg. It's protected. I clean windows and I do contracting, so I mix up my bags a lot. I'll have a lot of like window cleaning gear, rags. On this side, I'll put my rags, my squeegee, my scrubber. I can just drop this off in my contracting job, swap over to my window gear, all in the same belt. So that saves tons of time. The last one I had, it just sat like this and kind of flopped around. So another thing, this is nice and quiet. It's a tight system. It's all uniform.
Show us the best part. Now you don't have to do dinner in your
Yeah, now I can go home, not be wearing my pants. It's like, everything's feels super high quality, it's tight and adjustable. You can change it to however you want it. Really the biggest reason I like this is for efficiency and time. Because if I'm cleaning, one of these windows could take 10 minutes. If I can knock out 2.5 minutes because I'm not juggling, think about 1,000 windows. That's where I'm at. Thank you. So it's just like, and it has to have sound effects, otherwise it's bunk.